Ever stared at your phone, wishing there was a simpler way to manage your money? A way to send cash instantly, split bills effortlessly, and even earn rewards? Well, chances are, you've been missing out on Favepay. But don't worry, we're about to change that. So, you're curious about Favepay, huh? You've heard the buzz, maybe seen the ads, but the million-dollar question is, how do you actually get started? Let's dive in. First things first, Favepay isn't just another payment app. It's your financial sidekick, designed to make your money work harder. But enough about that, let's get you signed up. To kick things off, you'll need a smartphone. Android or iOS, Favepay has you covered. Head over to your app store, search for Favepay, and hit that download button. It's as easy as ordering your favorite takeaway. Once the app is downloaded, open it up. You'll be greeted with a warm welcome screen. Don't worry, there's no awkward small talk here. Just tap that sign up button. You'll be asked for a few details. Your phone number is a must, so Favepay can send you a verification code. Think of it as your digital passport. Next up, your name. Keep it real, no nicknames or secret agent aliases. And finally, a strong password. Something memorable, but not something your goldfish could crack. After you've filled in the blanks, it's time to verify your number. You'll receive a code via SMS. Punch it in, and voila! You're halfway there. The next step is to add a payment method. Favepay is all about making your life easier, so linking your card is a breeze. Just input your card details, and you're good to go. Don't worry about security, Favepay has your back with top-notch encryption. Now, for a little extra security, you might be asked to set up a PIN or use biometric authentication. It's like adding an extra lock to your digital wallet. Congratulations! You're officially a Favepay member. A whole new world of digital payments is now at your fingertips. From sending money to friends, paying bills, to exploring exciting deals, Favepay has got you covered. But wait, there's more. To get the most out of Favepay, take a few minutes to explore the app. Check out the features, understand the reward system, and familiarize yourself with the interface. It's like discovering a hidden treasure chest. Remember, Favepay is all about making your financial life simpler and more rewarding. So, go ahead, dive in, and enjoy the ride. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy Favepaying.